Hey, it's Leticia. I'm back with a DIY. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a balloon garland without breaking the bank, because hiring a person to do it for you is way too expensive. So let's get started with everything you are going to need. You're going to need, of course, balloons. I got these balloons on Amazon, which I will link in the description box. They come in different sizes and include the other items that you are going to need as well. The balloon tape, the glue dots, and string. You're also going to need command hooks, and you're going to need an electric balloon pump. I will link in the description box as well. First, decide where you want your garland to hang and hang your hooks accordingly. Determine how much balloon tape you're going to need and hang tape from hooks to a chair, or between two chairs might be easier. I just tied some string to the balloon tape and tied it to the chair. I stretch my balloons before blowing them, and I let out some air after to give it a more bubble shape. Start blowing your balloons from largest to smallest. Here, my biggest balloons are, I don't remember how many inches. I'll link it right here on the screen. Continue blowing up your balloons and adding them to your balloon tape until your balloon tape is full or it has the desired look that you are looking for. Move the balloon garland to hooks. I hung my balloon garland to the hooks with some twine string. You can play around with it, rearrange it, shape it, add or remove balloons to your desired look. Now we blow the smallest balloons, which are the 5-inch balloons. We stretch these balloons first as well and make them into a bubble shape, not filling them too much. I attach these with glue dots, attaching them to the other balloons. These balloons are fillers. They give your garland that extra touch. Use them to cover imperfections or gaps. This is the end result for my balloon garland. You just get this cute and fun decoration for your next event or party. I hope you find this video helpful, get creative with it, have fun, and complete your garland to your desired look. I will put everything I used to complete this balloon garland in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.